Yo, real quickly before the video gets started, if you keep missing crypto shorts, you're not the only one. There are too many coins moving every day to watch everything yourself, so we built Opportunity Engine. It scans hundreds of future pairs for weak pumps, flash crashes, support breaks, dead cat bounces, volume spikes, funding flips, and potential dump setups. Then sends the cleanest alerts into Discord. Inside VIP, every callout is tracked with data, wins, losses, entries, stops, targets, and which setups are actually performing. That helps us rank the stronger alerts, filter out weaker patterns, and keep improving the quality over time. If you want the alerts, the research, and a community of traders hunting better shorts together, hit the link below and join us. Alright, let's get right into the video. Yo, what's going on, y'all? Sleep back with another video. And in today's video, we're going to be focusing on how to trade meme coins with the lowest risk possible. I'm going to be going over a couple different strategies that I personally use to trade meme coins with the lowest risk possible. So let's get straight into it. So we're here on Axiom. I'm going to have the link to Axiom in the description. If you want the best amount of money back on fees, use the link in the description. I would very much appreciate it. So let's get straight into this. There has been a ton of coins that have been going crazy lately, and a ton of these coins you could have traded with low risk. So the number one strategy that I'm going to be talking about today is buying OG coins. This is, for me, my favorite strategy to use because you can buy a coin at 2K, and if someone buys on top of you, you can make like 2x your money. So let's just take a look at this strategy real quickly. Okay, number one, what you're going to need for this is a social tracker, which is a X tracker. So basically, we're going to be just tracking a whole bunch of different Twitters and waiting for someone to tweet about a coin or a meme, right? So let's say Elon tweets about a dog named Ian, right? The first thing that we're going to do is instantly search up Ian, and then we're going to find whatever he's talking about, right? It could be a meme that was already out from hours ago, but we're gonna wanna look for the one that he is talking about, right? So let's just say this is it right here. We're going to click on it, or we can instantly buy it if we search it up like this, and then quick buy it right here, right? You can customize this by just changing the quick buy settings. And yeah, that is going to be my number one low risk strategy, is just buying these coins that come out on Twitter tracker as soon as possible. I will have a Twitter tracker in the Discord if you want to join below in the description. And now let's get into the second strategy. The second strategy is going to be buying on dips. Thank you to SolPump for sponsoring today's video. SolPump is a top on-chain Solana gaming platform that I like using, especially when markets are slow and there's not much action. All you have to do to get started is connect any Solana wallet like Phantom, and you jump straight into their games directly from the wallet. You can try their 50-50 coin flip, on-chain blackjack, and crash style games. They also offer daily rewards like a free Solana case and hourly airdrop style bonuses. Plus, they have their own token, SolPump, that you earn as you play. If you want to play where I play and stay active even when the markets are quiet, head over to SolPump and use my code SLEEP. Now, let's get back to the video. On big coins or final stretch and migrated coins, right? So for example, let's look at Kate coin, which went down a lot lately in the past couple days, and then it's starting to recover, right? So as you guys can see here, this coin went from around 85 mil all the way down to 10 mil in one day, which was a very good dip to buy on, but a lot of people couldn't catch that dip, right? Because it happened so quickly. So the way that I would have played this coin is wait for it to dip back down near 10 mil. I would have bought around in this range here. This is the consolidation range that we're talking about. When coins that have a lot of virality start to trade in a sideways trend after getting a dip, and we're up a lot recently, these coins usually tend to go from these ranges down here and tend to explode throughout the next couple days. As you guys can see, this started to trade sideways after a huge run up to a dip. And once the chart starts to do this, that's a good signal to buy. Now, will this coin go back to 80 mil? I'm unsure, and I honestly think it probably won't, unfortunately. But you guys can see here, this would have been a great trade if you would have caught it in this range down here from 12 mil to 40 mil. That's obviously like a 3x. So that would have been a great trade if you caught that one. So that will be my second strategy that we're talking about in today's video. And this is just buying, coins on dips like this that are in consolidation phase after a big run up to dip. So let's talk about the third strategy real quick. The third low risk strategy that I want to talk about in today's video is buying on dips, and this is a little bit different than what we just talked about in that recent coin. So let's give a quick example here. We're on NS, which is the WNBA prospect, and I'm just going to give you guys a quick example of what I mean by buying on dips. Right, so as you guys can see, this chart looks super healthy in my opinion, and you can see that there's a lot of people looking at it, and there is a lot of liquidity, and the stats to the right here don't look super suspicious, right? So what we're actually looking for on buying on dips is something that goes down 30 to 50% on a good narrative that actually makes sense, where if it went down, you'd want to buy it, right? So let's just give this example real quickly. This price is currently sitting at 134K in this range right here. I want to see the price drop down to around this range. Let's just circle here. I want to see the price somewhere down here, and then I want to buy down there and look for a bounce that will bounce up to maybe here. And this is called scalping, guys. Anyone can do this. This is one of the best low risk strategies that you can actually trade. And it's one of my favorite as well, because you're buying on a dip where people are gonna want to step in and buy. If you get the first TX on this and it is a huge candle to the downside, like let's say this one of these top holders that is holding 3K sold right now, this coin would, you know, get a candle down to probably around in this range, and then we can possibly just buy right after, which means that we'd have a great opportunity to make some money as this goes back up. Next, let's talk about the last and one of my favorite ways to make money trenching that is also low risk. This is going to be launching coins on Pump Fund. So let's look at that right now. So we're gonna head over to pump.fund. As you guys can see here, it's gonna say welcome, continue. I currently am on Safari, so I cannot connect my wallet, but let's just go to create. So as you guys can see, we're gonna create a new coin. And like I said, I'm not logged in, but as you guys can see, if you make a good coin and you get money back on the fees, you can make a lot of money that is also low risk. Right? So I think it costs about $5 to make a coin. If you're making good narratives that are actually viral and are trending on social media, or it's something that happened recently in the news that you think people would buy, try to make coins that you would buy, right? Like have good social links on them, have a good clean coin name, ticker. Pump Fund's always going to be the best for launching coins. There's also some other tools that you can use. We're currently working on that tool, me and Star with Pump, but you have like Ucento, you have all these other platforms where you can actually launch coins on them. And yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. If you watched the video all the way through, feel free to join the Discord in the description. We have a lot of tools in there and a VIP section if you are interested. I also do mentorship. If anyone is also interested in that, just DM me on Discord. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching the video, and peace out.